I'm Shane Cleghorn with the Bismarck District, and our innovation spotlight is the cone truck. So the cone truck is a new innovation to help set up lane closure for on-the-road maintenance. Anytime that we're doing road work, we're going to be setting up a lane closure, which involves signs, stands, cones, and then just trying to be as safe as possible to help our employees and direct traffic. So in the past, when we do a lane closure, it would take 3 trucks and 5 employees. With this piece of equipment, we can now do it with a 1 truck and 3 employees. So this truck allows us to hold up worth of 5 miles of lane closure, which involves signs, stands, cones, and weights. So we now have a forward and rear facing directional light that can help direct traffic when we are driving into oncoming traffic in a closed lane to help encourage the traveling public to move over for the safety of our employees. This piece of equipment has benefited the safety of our employees and the traveling public.